Do you remember when we were two beautiful birds? We would light up the sky when we'd fly. You were orange and red like the sun with its six eyes, green eyes and apple's eye. And you said you loved all the songs that I sing like nothing that you'd ever heard. And I said I loved you with all my heart when we were two beautiful birds. Do you remember when we were two beautiful birds? We sing when the morning will come. You were silver and blue like the moon with its new eyes, gold eyes, the summer sun. And one day you asked for a different song, one that I just couldn't sing. I got the melody sharp and the words all wrong. Those are the last days of spring. To build a nest we pegged feathers from our chests, like a book tearing out every page. We want to know that these feathers will grow into a beautiful cage.